are new here, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. I've had a camera for a while, but this is my first video actually filming on it. And we'll see how it goes. I don't know how good the quality is gonna be. That's good. I just thought I'd give you guys my little review. I'm going to the gym in about 3-ish hours, so I should get a little energy kick here. It's pretty good. It's not a huge like apple-y flavor. Like it's not like tart or anything, but it's still pretty good. If I ever get famous and Bloom sees this, please sponsor me wherever in the future we are. I realized I never went through and made a grocery list. So let's do that. I want to make a homemade yogurt. But we don't have any yogurt, so I can't really start it because you need yogurt to make yogurt, if that makes sense. Like you boil the milk and then you put in like a tablespoon of live cultured Greek yogurt into the milk, and then it helps it develop or whatever. And I really want to do that. Pick up some milk. I only have almond milk, so we're gonna have to get milk and maybe like a small personal size cup of Greek yogurt. Plus I feel like if I make it homemade, that's so healthy of me. So if we're gonna make yogurt, we also need granola, so I'm gonna put granola. I found this one soup that I want to make, this chicken chili relleno soup. So I'm gonna need some poblano peppers, and then for the recipe I also need an onion, some sour cream, and carrots, because those are really good for fall dishes. And then I'm gonna get some Premier protein shakes, I think, because I like those to use as coffee creamer. Here's our list. Alright, here's the Costco fit, guys. Just came back from the gym. Alright, let's go to Costco. Costco! This is gonna be a test of my social anxiety. Update. I forgot the Costco card. Change of plans, going to Sam's. Okay, we're home. I did not record in the store because I was scared. And I forgot, but mostly scared. So yeah, I'll show you everything we got. Okay, we went a little crazy, but I'm sure it will last 2 weeks.
That's better.
3 weeks, maybe. So we got 2 rotisserie chickens. We're just gonna shred them up. We're gonna use one, just put it in a container in the fridge, and then the other one, shred it up and freeze it, just because it's super easy. So I'm just gonna put away everything that doesn't need to be washed or prepped right now. Time for the fridge stuff that doesn't need to be prepped. I'm gonna cut everything on the same cutting board.
Yeah.
Chicken fingers. Alright. All done putting stuff away. I didn't show you when I put it in there, sorry. It's the next day. We got done last night with it at like 9:30. But I can do the big reveal. Here's the freezer. It's not organized by any means. It's not aesthetic. Fridge. Produce and eggs, milk, and like leftovers, meat, cheese, and chopped veggies, chicken. The bottom shelf is drinks, like always. Here she is. Alright, thank you everybody for watching, and for all of you that subscribe. If you like, subscribe. If not, that's okay. Yeah. Let me know your thoughts, and I will see you next week. Have a gorgeous, beautiful week. Love you.